What if I told you that you could earn money just by listening to songs on the internet? Soundcloud is one of the most popular venues for discovering new music. Imagine yourself listening to music and earning money every day. This may be an additional source of income for you. And the greatest thing is that it works in all places across the globe. So there's no reason why anybody shouldn't be able to accomplish this. You can earn anywhere from $10 to $200 simply by using this strategy. Now I want to go through how this strategy works in detail. Before we start, welcome to Nuezy, where I will share the latest news related to crypto and new finance technology. Click on the subscribe button and press the bell notification so you can be updated whenever I upload a new video. So, each song you listen to may pay you anywhere between $3.75 to $7. However, if you want to discover how to earn $7 for each song you listen to, continue watching to the end to learn the other methods to earn $7 or more utilizing the strategy. So, merely listening to 10 songs may net you $37.50. You'll get $75 by listening to 20 tracks. You may also earn up to $188 simply listening to 50 tracks. This procedure is not only completely free, but it may also be repeated indefinitely. So, knowing that you won't have to invest any money, all you'll need to listen to the music is a smartphone or a computer. So as you can see, the first thing I need you to do is visit the website soundcloud.com. This is a website where you may listen to various types of music fully for free. Just sign up to the site, which you can do with no money at all. This site offers all types of music that you might want to listen to, with trendy music in all kinds of languages, which simply means that the potential for you to earn money with this strategy is nearly limitless. To download the SoundCloud app for your phone, go to the Play Store, search for SoundCloud, tap the first app that comes up, and press the download button. It's quite simple. Now, I'm curious, where will you be using this method? Are you going to use your smartphone or on your computer? Which one do you think will be best for you? Let me know in the comments. Returning back to SoundCloud, all you have to do is scroll down to view all the music, and what I normally do is go to Explore Popular. Just choose any playlist that is looking good to you and tap on it. The music will begin playing immediately. Upon going down, you'll notice that there are a lot more songs that will autoplay after the current one you're listening to finishes. That's good, because you won't have to spend so much time finding new tracks. So, now that you're acquainted with SoundCloud and the notion of discovering new music on the website, I'd like to introduce you to a new site here. This is known as azlyrics.com, and what you can do on this website is locate a lot of additional music. The nicest aspect about this website is that you can not only locate music, but you can also find entire written lyrics for the songs, which will be very important later. They have all the lyrics for the song written without you having to type them or transcribe them yourself. Since we have all of the lyrics right here, this opens up a chance for you and me to put the transcription on the song without having to do anything other than right-click on the song and copy all of the lyrics. Now that we know this, we may estimate that the average song lasts 2 to 4 minutes. We know we'll be making about $3.75 per song. So we can see that for every minute that we transcribe a song, we will get $1.25. This indicates that if we transcribe a song that lasts 3 minutes on average, we'll earn roughly $3.75. And the greatest thing is that we can do this over and over again, as many times as we desire. So the next location I'd want to go to is the website rev.com. If you go to this website, you'll notice that they will pay you $1.25 per minute for every audio and video that you can transcribe. That means you may come here and transcribe any music you discover on SoundCloud or anyplace else. And if you stick around until the conclusion of this video, I'll show you 2 entirely free software programs that you can utilize to help you generate even more money and quadruple your earnings. So, when you're on rev.com, go all the way down to where it says freelancers near the bottom of the page and then click on it. This is the simplest method to generate money online, since you can do it from home by transcribing or captioning, as it's said here. The nice part is that you can work around your own schedule while doing this. You can do it at your own pace and on your own timetable. This also enables you to scale and do as much as you want. you may select from hundreds of available positions. And you may be paid weekly directly to your PayPal account, and they are always on time. So this is a really stable way for you to supplement your income. Now all we have to do is fill in the blanks with the information they'll be asking for, and click Next. But before you even do that, and before you partner with a rep, as you can see here, they have two distinct options for you. But what we actually want to do is become a transcriptionist. So what you're going to do is click on Learn More. Then you'll click Sign Up today to be a rep transcriptionist. Now, here's the amazing part. I'm going to teach you how to accomplish this using free software to maximize your revenue. But first, I want to show you another website where you may transcribe music and be paid to do so. GoTranscript.com. This is another bonus website where you may be compensated, and you're paid 72 cents each minute. So if you do 3 songs, you'll receive approximately $6.50. The beautiful thing about utilizing this platform is that you don't have to go to Rev to transcribe and earn money. You can also go here and make even more money. So, the more places you can go and apply to transcribe various songs and things of that kind, the more money you can generate for yourself. So, we can see all of the advantages of GoTranscript.com here. We can perform transcribing work from home, and we get paid consistently every single week without fail. Which is one of the most crucial things, because right now, we're all here to earn this money using this approach. Another advantage that they have is that we get to create our own projects, which allows us to choose the genres of music that we want to transcribe into lyrics. And we have flexible working hours, which means we can set our own schedules and keep them working at this while earning as much money as you like. And we can do it anytime we want, which is fantastic, right? Now, otranscribe.com is a free online program that takes the agony out of transcribing recorded interviews, music, or anything else you can put in here, and they'll assist you in transcribing everything without you having to do anything, making the work much simpler. otranscribe.com is the best option in my opinion. When you go to this page, you'll be able to start transcribing right away. Put the song in a file, and you'll be able to transcribe any song you make. So after you click on transcribe, you'll be sent to this page right here. Now when you click on choose audio or video file, all you have to do is copy the URL of the song and paste it into the otranscribe.com. It'll start transcribing for you. The only disadvantage is that it will include a few small grammar and spelling errors, among other things, that you'll have to address a little bit. Other than that, you have to do practically nothing at all. This just makes it much simpler for you to earn up to $200 every day if you continue to do this on a larger scale. And now, for the last extra tip that I have for you. Instead of getting $1.25 per minute on each song that you perform, you may actually make $3 to $7 each minute, which is about 5 times the standard payment of $1.25. If you transcribe a song from a foreign language, you'll receive $3 to $7. Here's how you're going to do this. All you have to do is go to this website, deeple.com. This site will let you translate any music into any foreign language you choose. You can pick any language. For example, translate from French to English, or translate from English to, say, French, right? And you can keep translating songs that you understand and putting them into a new language in each minute. And you get paid $3 to $7, which is incredible if you ask me. That finishes how to use this strategy to make up to $200 each day just listening to music. So if you appreciate the information I provided in this video, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos on how to generate money online. On even simpler techniques where I publish almost every day to teach you these approaches so that you may quickly make more money with my help. I hope to see you guys again in the next video. Until then, take actions, make that money, and take care. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.